All right, good afternoon, everybody. Let's continue our class in statistics. Okay, just a reminder. Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn on the projector. No response. Okay. Okay, and just a reminder. Next week, week number nine, we will have a midterm exam, and later, before the end of this class, I will give you the exam test questions last year and my solutions to those questions last year. Okay, don't worry. I will prepare some questions very similar to the textbook, and I encourage you during those 2 or 3 hours you can read every materials in our textbook or some online information. Just calm down. Oh my gosh! I don't know this question how to solve the problem. Don't worry. You can start read the materials and understand the principles and try to do that. I think you can learn it during the classroom, during the exam time. Don't worry. So I will give you the questions last year and give you that. Okay, 1 minute please. I'm going to prepare that. But the exam, the ranges from our textbook may be different from last year. It depends. Okay, 1 minute, please. Okay, and okay, I'm going to send all the exams to our online group. 1 minute, please. Okay, I just sent a link about the videos about the same courses today, last year, and you can check that. Oh, for example, I had the exam that was on the year of 2024, April 10th. I know you may feel strange about the time format. Actually, from the European system, there will be date, 2 digits, month, 2 digits, and year, 4 digits. Day, month, year. But in the American system, there will be month, date, and year. But in some Asia countries, non-English speaking countries, we prefer to use year, month, and day. But it's not our problem. It's not our problem. Actually, there is, you can check this. There is a standard code ISO 8601. ISO 8601. Not any Asian created this. Actually, ISO is created from Switzerland, and it's an international standard about the time and the time expression, like this. We can see that. ISO 8601, there will be 4 digits to represent the year, and like this, 4 digits of year hyphen 2 digits of month hyphen 2 digits for day, or year, 4 years, 4 digits for years, 2 digits for month, and 2 digits for date. So I like this format. Again, it's not about the Asia countries, it's about the ISO format. So I encourage you to understand this one. For example, when I was in the US, I emailed to my boss, Dr. Hayden, and I used the time format as in the American. But when my boss moved to Australia, I used the time format as European system. But now I encourage everyone to use the time writing system, ISO 18601. I encourage you to use this. Okay. I copy paste it to our link. So you can see, I think it's very understandable here. Okay, and last year, you can check my website. Okay, last year, the year of 2024, about the exam. Oh, okay, sorry. The exam was held on April 10th, and the next day, the next week, I explained the solutions like this. Okay, and here I'm going to give this link to online group explanations on the midterm exam questions. You can select, for example, the question number 3, $1 selects 7 dogs in an animal hospital, and the weights are this, and please list the number from small to big, from left to right. It was 7 marks, 7 points, 7 marks, and the question is here. Question number 3, like this one. So I encourage you, you can download this and print it out and write on the paper. As I mentioned, students can use any materials, electronic devices, software in the exam, during the exam, but no talking, discussion, on-site or online, okay, to anyone during exam, and here, and if someone take one day off or someone sick on the day, I hope every student during the exam can keep a secret until next month. Until next month. Don't worry, I will explain those questions. With the symbol here, please upload it. Okay. This year I will do a similar way. And here is the exam last year. You can check it. Very similar to the textbook. And I just mentioned, for example, this one. Please fill out the blanks like this one. You can see the question very similar to the textbook. And question number 4. And question number 5. And question number 7. Oh, sorry, question number 6, 7. Like this. Okay, and you can see my explanations on this. See, last year I used Google Office. Okay, and next, okay, get it? Any question? We still have 1 week to conduct the exam. Any question about the exam next week? Yeah, you can check our online group. I just send you all the exam next year, and this. And this is the solutions on those questions last year. Okay. Yeah, and the first part before the midterm exam, I try to slow down, but after midterm exam, I will accelerate. And you need to learn a lot. For example, the normal distribution, the t-test, the f-test, and chi-square. They are very important, especially your background. Your background is business and economics. You need to know that is not hard. Believe me, that is not difficult. Okay. Any question? No? Okay, I move forward. Okay, good. Okay, before I start, I want to explain something. Okay, what do you see here? What do you see here? What do you see here? We use the AI translation. No? It should be okay. Oh, okay. Let me have 2 minutes to explain this project. A student and I, we are editing a book about the food analysis. And here is the chapter 1. Because the book is for certification exam in Taiwan. Level C. Level A is the most difficult. Level B, the secondary. Level C is the easiest one. And we try to do you observe it? The language. Hey, pardon me? This one? First one and cover? Oh, first one. Yep, you're right. Okay, let me move to the cover. Actually, this one is a manuscript. I try. I will do my best, and we plan to publish this book about this coming June. And see this one in Taiwanese Mandarin. This one, flashcard test on the section A, understanding experimental devices, courtesy of technician certificate exam of food analysis from Taiwan, the Taiwan Ministry of Labor. Okay, and sure, I don't know the Vietnamese here. I use the AI translation here. Okay, why I spend 2 minutes to explain this to you? Actually, last semester, I encourage you, if you have time, I encourage you, you can do a translation. Because I think in your country, in Philippines, there are several native languages. They are very popular in your countries, and you can do this, but maybe not this subject. You can do different subjects. Now you are in Taiwan. You know English. You know your native language, like for example, Filipino. You can do a translation. This one is a bilingual, trilingual. Okay, and sure, I will publish this book as an open textbook. It means everyone can download it for free to use, to spread, and legally. Okay, so I'm still busy. Maybe after the midterm, I will call for volunteers, as I mentioned last semester. I'm sorry, I'm really busy now. Actually, I postponed another textbook to publish the data to publish. And this one is very urgent, and we need to finish this one because some students from our department, they will attend this exam about the middle or the end of June. We don't know the exact date yet. Okay, so again, I encourage everyone, don't waste your time here. I know you need to learn the Mandarin courses here. You have your native language, you know English. You can do a trilingual, even fourlingual. Tetralinguals, okay, you can do that and publish books like this. Okay. Don't waste. You will harvest a lot in Taiwan. It depends on your attitude and your determination. Okay, let's move to our class. Okay. Again, about the exam, any question, please let me know. Okay. Many places we'll start a little bit later, then we can continue for 10 minutes, then we can take a break. Okay, let's move to our textbook here. Last week we finished the chapter of the 3.3 about the ranking, and I think it's not that hard to learn this part. Again, have a quick review about this part. We will know that five numbers, the minimum, maximum, Q1, median, and Q3, and the key point is quartiles, okay, or quartiles, either one is okay. And there are some terms we need to remember here. Definition 3.3.2, interquartile range, IQR. That definition is Q3 minus Q1, okay, and this one. And last week we discussed about how to read this box figure of the box plot from the left side. That is a minimum number. From the right side, the terminal point, that is the maximum number. And it's very interesting here. The left side of the box is Q1. It means 25%. And median, it means 50%. What does it mean 50%? If we have a set of a number, we rank it from big to small or small to big, and generally we prefer to rank it from small to big. The middle one on the middle center, that is the median. And at the 75%, that's Q3. And now, how to calculate? Okay, 5 number summary of an even number. Okay, why there is even number? Even number, it means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like this. Because the calculation from the median and Q1, Q3, a little bit different, but the principles are the same. Okay, have a quick review about the even number. Calculate the 5 numbers here. And after sorting from left to right, from small value to bigger value, here is the number set. And from the left one, also there's a minimum, the smallest number. Here is the minimum. On the right side, that is the maximum, the biggest number. Okay, then it's even number, so we can find the middle is just between, for example, 12 numbers, 12 sets here, 12 points here, and the middle point just between number 6 and number 7. Thus, the median, the value is average of the sum of the number 6 and number 7. The sum, number 6 plus number 7 divided by 2. Here is the median. Okay, then move forward. And the first part, you can see 2855, 2855 here. We can move the first part to here. And the Q1 is the middle point of the first part. Is 25%. And the same way, here is also the even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even number. And the middle point is between number 3 and number 4. Thus, the median of the first one, that is the average of the number 3, 2862 and 2884. The average of this one plus this one divided by 2. Okay, we got it. There is Q1. Similarly, the second part of the last 6 numbers here, that is the second part. Move it here. 2, 9, 60, 65, 3032, move it here. And for the second part, find the middle point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number. The even number, the middle point, is here, just between number 3 and number 4. Then plus them together, divided by 2. Bingo, we got the middle point. And now we have the median. 2,964.5. This is the median. Q1, 2873. Q3, 2986.5. And we have the 5 numbers. The 5 numbers is the minimum, 2855. Q1, median. Q3, maximum. And the range, the definition of the range, it means the maximum minus the minimum. And IQR, the definition is Q3 minus Q1, Okay, we have a quick review of this one. And now let's check this. How about the other number? Other number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, like this. And it's easier for the other number of data points. It's easier. For example, here are 11 data sets here, 11 points, and we can sort it from left to right, from small to big, and the minimum 64, the maximum 77, and because it's 11, it's very easy to memorize. 11 divided by 2 will be 5.5, and very close to 6. Thus, the number 6 is the middle point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 6 position is the middle point. The value is 69. Okay, and just a reminder here, when we calculate the Q1 and Q3, do not include the middle point, the value. Okay, do not include the value here. Finding the Q1 and Q3, you need to find the median of the numbers below the median and above the median. The median is not included in either calculation. Okay, thus the first part, 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the middle point is Q1. Q1, 65. The value is 65. And the second part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers, move them to this place. 69, 70, 74, 75, 77, and the middle point is Q3. Okay, and so far any question? This question, I will have at least one question to calculate this one. Chapter 3.3, at least I will prepare one question about this one. But maybe even number, maybe other number, maybe. I don't know. I didn't prepare the question yet. But I highly encourage, just give me a little bit of time, okay? I encourage you to study last year, the exams. I open to everyone. You know that I even recorded the solution on my video. Again, I encourage everyone to study it, not to, you didn't study very hard, you are lazy guy, no. I encourage you to do study more. Okay, so I give you all the exam last year and the video last year. You can study it, and I'm always on the line group. I need help. Okay, what happened to you? I don't understand how to calculate this one from your video, the time, blah, 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 blah. Can you explain again? Sure. How about let me record an extra video for you, but please let me know why you cannot understand this part, or you cannot, any concept, let me know. I will try my best to explain again to you, okay? Is it okay? Okay, just a quick review here, and have a 10-minute break, then after the break, we will check attendance and move to next chapter. Okay, have a break.